Welcome, you guys. I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving and you have some memories that were made and you didn't overindulge. Although, isn't that what Thanksgiving is about? Have fun. It's just one day until Christmas. So I just wanted to do a real quick review on the new launch that happened last weekend at Ulta. If you didn't know, Kylie Cosmetics is now in Ulta Beauty. And they launched her lip kits and some other lip products to start off. This is a huge launch for Kylie, a huge launch for Ulta, and super exciting. So I picked up some products to try them out, let you know what I felt about them, how I feel they hold up. It is a prestige brand, so does it hold up to the products that I normally wear and use? Yes, it did. The lip liners particularly, I really think she should sell them alone. Right now, they just come in the lip kit with a liquid lip, which is this one here. I bought Clove. The lip liner is phenomenal. It does not bleed. It does not come off. The liquid lip for me didn't work. Only because, not that it's not a great product, liquid lips in general don't work for me. I did want to give it a go just to see. As all of them have been, it was just too dry for my lips. I had some cracking going on. So I added a little bit of gloss and it worked out. What I did pick up though, is I saw that she had a liquid velvet lip. And I thought, maybe I could do that one. So I did pick up two things just to compare. This one for me works fabulously. Gives a matte finish, velvety matte feel. It's really, really nice. Stays all day. Was fabulous. So Kylie, great job on the cosmetics, and I think you guys should try them out. The lip kit, which has the liquid lipstick and liner, sells for $29. And then this one here, which is the velvet lip, like that. This one sells for $16. So the only bummer is you can't buy the liner alone. So you're almost into just getting a kit if you want the liner. Which, that brings me to a very exciting announcement. We are going to be doing a Christmas 12-day giveaway. It will be starting next week. And I just so happened to pick up one little extra Kylie lip kit as our first giveaway. This is a candy K, pretty popular color. It's a neutral color, it's beautiful. And this is our first giveaway on our 12 days of Christmas. So a little bit about that, we're going to be posting an episode Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then we will announce the winners of each of those episodes on Friday. I've got some good stuff. I've been picking them up. You know, you guys, I only have boys. If you watched the previous video, you realize that boys surround my life. I have a little Yorkie that's a female, which I can't put makeup on. And other than that, I don't have a ton of females. I've got some nieces and nephews here and there, but I thought it would be fun to do a 12-day Christmas giveaway and share some of the products that I think are pretty special. First and foremost, you have to be subscribed to the channel. We're gonna be giving details on each video on how to enter and the different little things on each video on how you can possibly win. I will talk to you soon. Give me a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed. Take care. Bye-bye.